A plane wheel falls off right before it takes off.
Rasta transportation, you know. Rasta transportation to the world. TV, you know. I love me boys and girls. TV. Yeah. Yeah, man. See real roots, them, the man. The real roots.
Greetings, greetings, and salutations to all nations. Ladies and gentlemen, you know it's your favorite Jamaican. It's Rastafari Soldier here of Deep Roots TV. If this is your first time tuning into the Rastaman channel, hit that red subscribe button. Become a part of the Rastaman panel. A Boeing passenger plane's nose wheel falls off just before it takes off. Boeing 757 with nearly 200 passengers on board was on the runway when the wheel fell off and rolled down the hill. The incident happened Saturday at Hartsfield-Jackson, Atlanta International Airport. Big airport. Delta Airline flight DAL 982 has been on the runway waiting for clearance, waiting to take off, when its nose wheel came off and rolled down the hill. That is not funny. According to reports by Federal Aviation Administration, imagine you as the passenger on a plane, ladies and gentlemen, a trusted airline, Delta, and you look out the window and you realize a wheel rolling down the hill just came off the plane that you are about to take off on. The aircraft was a Boeing 757. It sounds like Boeing having some situation in the air. A Delta spokesperson told the news that passengers were put on a replacement flight. No injuries were reported. What? Yo! Listen, if I was on that plane, I would be damaged emotionally. All customers and their baggage were removed from the aircraft, transferred to the gate, and put on another plane. We apologize to our customers for the inconvenience, Delta said in a statement. Inconvenience? You mean the heart attack that you was about to give me? If me upon that plane and see that, I would run off that plane. An aviation person or an aviation enthusiast captured the video of the aftermath, which showed the plane with the missing wheel awaiting to be towed from the runway. The aircraft have been bound for Bogota, Colombia. Bogota, Colombia. All them people there must be shook. They must have prayed to them God. Imagine the incident came amid a slew of issues from Boeing-made jets. Earlier this month, a Boeing passenger jet operated by Alaska Airlines lost its door in mid-air, forcing an emergency landing. Remember that? All Boeing 737 MAX 9 planes were grounded as a result of this incident. And it appears from what I've been researching, Boeing knew about these defects. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Rastafari Soldier here of Deep Roots TV, reporting that a Boeing plane, specifically a Delta-owned Boeing plane, they say it's a 757, was waiting to taxi down the runway to take off and soar to Bogota, Colombia, when they noticed that the wheel for the landing gear, the nose wheel, the one at the front, started rolling down the hill. Imagine 200 passengers on board could have gotten killed. Subscribe, like, and share. Me tell you there's a God.
Yeah, man, big up Deep Roots TV, caution session.
Big up Deep Roots TV.
Yo, this one is for the youths. Yeah, you're watching Deep Roots. I know you're cute.
Deep Roots TV.
Big up Deep Roots TV.
Shout out to Deep Roots, bro.
Shout out DB TV. Tune in to Deep Roots TV. Log in, subscribe, online, YouTube. Get there or be square. Jacob said that.
Log on to Deep Roots TV.